drumming session. Today, I'll be teaching you the 8th class of the 4th part of war drum. The first line is yo, that's or yo, da, 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 and you hit it 3 times. On yo, da, you hit while squatting down, and on da, you hit while squatting down also. But the third da, you hit while standing up. Now let's try on the drum 3 times using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is yo, da, and you hit it soft while squatting down. Now let's try it on the drum 3 times using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to learn them using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our 8th class of war drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.